26 incher did this too. Holy, it's coming up.
If this is a bass.
If it's a bass, it's a dandy. If it's a bass, it's 3 or better.
Can't be a bass.
It started to come up.
Just for record purposes here, the drag does not work. So when you're hearing all this,
the smoke coming out of it is superficial.
But he does have a hole. Jeez.
This is nuts.
And now remember, we have a 10 to 12 pounder laying on the floor behind me of the boat already. Oh, Jesus. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What do you need me to do?
Nothing.
All right.
Just enjoy.
I'm enjoying.
All I want to do is see it. I don't care if it gets away, but it is big.
Really?
It's coming up. It's going down.
You want me to turn the boat?
Oh, he's turning. I'm going to try to get the hook out of his mouth right in the water. So
okay.
we don't kill him. Oh, that 26 inch.
Maybe.
Oh,
big?
7, 8 pounds.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Really? What in the world is going on today?
This is kind of like fishing Canada.
This is better. Oh, here he is. He's right here.
Yep. Oh boy, he's got it right down his throat.
All right. So should I net him?
I'll try to get him around here and net him right here. And don't let... you stay to that side.
Okay.
And I'll work on this side so we don't flip the boat.
Good plan.
I might just cut that off and let him swim away with it in his mouth.
I don't know if he'll live with it in his mouth, you think?
I don't know how to do this and keep him alive.
I think he's right under that. Oh, Jesus. Sure you don't want me to help?
No, I think I got him. He's pretty tired.
All right. Yeah, that's a nice bite. Well, he did take it, didn't he?
This is where it gets hairy.
Boy, he's good and thick and healthy too.
Well, this is where you could use a jaw spreader.
Yeah, it is.